In this video, we're going to determine the rule for a quadratic which goes through the points 0, 1, 1, 1, and 2, 2. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to substitute each of these points into the general quadratic equation, which is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So if I put 0, 1 into that equation, we get 1 is equal to a times 0 squared plus b times 0 plus c. So therefore, c is equal to 1, because obviously these two both cancel to be 0. So now we substitute in our next point, which is going to be the point 1, 1. So from that, we get that 1 is equal to a times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus c, which is 1. So we're just substituting c equals 1 into there. So we clean this up and we get 1 is equal to a plus b plus 1. So if we subtract 1 from both sides, we get a plus b equals 0. So therefore we can say that b is equal to negative a. So now we get the third point and we substitute that in, so 2, 2. And once we substitute that in, we get 2 is equal to a times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus c, which is 1. So again, we're just substituting in c for 1 in here. So this cleans up to be 2 is equal to 4a plus 2b plus 1. And now if we subtract 1 from both sides, we get that 1 is equal to 4a plus 2b. So if we call this equation 1 and this equation 2, we can solve these simultaneously for a and b. So if I just get some more room over here, what we can do is we can substitute equation 1 into equation 2. So when we do that, equation 2 becomes 1 is equal to 4a plus 2 times b, which is just negative a. So on the right hand side we have 4a minus 2a, so we get 1 is equal to 2a. And if we divide both sides by the coefficient of a, which is 2, we get that a is equal to 1/2. So next off we substitute a is equal to 1/2 into the easiest one to find b, so I think that's into equation 1, and we're going to find that b is equal to negative a, which is negative 1 on 2, so therefore b equals negative 1/2. And of course we already found that c was equal to 1 over here. So putting all those things together, we know that the quadratic that goes through the point 0, 1, 1, and 2, 2 is equal to ax squared, which is x on 2 squared, plus bx, which is going to be negative x on 2, and then plus c, which is plus 1. So that's the equation that goes through those 3 points.